This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Sign into Chrome with your Google account to start backing up data. Open the profile menu in the top right corner, then choose Turn on Sync. Confirm the account and select Sync Everything or pick specific categories like bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, and settings. Sync stores your data in your Google account and keeps changes across devices. Turn on two-step verification on your Google account to protect synced data from unauthorized access. Open the Bookmarks Manager from the menu to export bookmarks as an HTML file. Choose the three-dot menu, then Export Bookmarks and save the file to a backup folder like Documents. To export passwords, go to Chrome, //settings/passwords, open the three-dot menu, then choose Export Passwords and confirm with your device password. For a comprehensive download, use Google Takeout to request a zip archive of Chrome data. Then save the archive to an external drive. Close Chrome completely to avoid file corruption before copying profile files. Find the Chrome user data folder on your system and locate the profile folder named Default or Profile 1. Copy that folder to an external drive or cloud folder for offline backup. For easier restores, compress the profile folder into a zip file and include a date in the file name. Keep periodic backups with versioned file names and rotate them monthly or before major updates to ensure recoverability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.